Membrane bioreactor, MBR, is an advanced wastewater treatment technology that combines biological treatment by microorganisms with an ultrafiltration membrane. Its high purification capacity allows it to consistently produce treated water from domestic sewage and industrial effluent that is suitable for reuse. Replacement procedure from Toray MBR TMR Series to NHP Series. In the replacement procedure, we are introducing about these topics. Benefits of replacing from TMR Series to NHP Series. One. Reduced element thickness. The element thickness has been significantly reduced from 7 mm to 2 mm. Despite the thinner element, the operability and durability remain same from the TMR series, which allows long-term use. 2. Increased membrane packing density. The number of membrane elements used has increased, and membrane surface area is expanded to 1.5 times from TMR series. 3. Reduced energy consumption per filtrate water volume. NHP module can operate with the same aeration flow as TMR module, and since NHP module have larger membrane area per module, it can reduce energy consumption per filtrate water volume by 30%. 4. Reduced module weight by 60%. With NHP module, its handling is easier thanks to the significant reduction of the weight. 5. Easy membrane replacement by cassette. Replaced cassette by cassette basis. Membrane replacement work is also easier with NHP module. 6. Increased filtration flow per module. Thanks to the increase of membrane area per module, following benefits can be obtained. 1. Increased filtration flow rate without changing the number of modules. 2. Reduced number of modules without changing the filtration capacity. You can choose according to your operation demands. How to replace the TMR series with the NHP series. Existing TMR module is removed from the MBR tank and replaced with NHP module. It is quite easy to replace TMR series with NHP series. Existing TMR aeration block can be kept used with NHP series. Some modifications will be necessary to the filtrate water piping that connects to the module. Two points of modification. 1. Connect two flanges of filtrate manifolds with the riser pipe by ANSI 1.5 flanges. 2. As the connection point location is changed by the NHP replacement, adjust the connection with existing filtrate piping. Recommendation for filtrate pipe connection. Red line. Using ANSI 2 inches or larger piping is recommended to reduce head loss. Blue line. Using flexible hose is recommended for adjusting riser pipe connection with existing filtrate piping. Notes on replacements of double-deck type. NHP 210-600D series do not have middle block. Module height will be lower than TMR 140-200D. Be sure to take this height difference into consideration when designing filtrate pipe connection. Safety precaution. In case of lifting up double deck type, do not lift the upper and lower element blocks altogether. The upper/lower element block has to be lifted one by one to avoid distortion or damage to the element blocks, which may cause severe accident. As the upper and lower element blocks need to be lifted individually, do not connect the upper and lower filtrate manifolds to a single riser pipe. Prepare and install separate riser pipes for the upper and the lower element blocks. Upper and lower riser pipes should take different position for the ease of connection and lifting up. This riser pipe alignment is also possible. Guide rail system. In case existing guide rail system has been built based on the drawings provided by Toray, guide rods and rod supports can be reused as is. Locate the element block so that the guide plates fit with existing guide rods. Lift down the element block slowly while keeping it horizontal. Note: in case of using custom-designed guide rail system, check its compatibility with NHP module. The shape of guide plate is slightly different with TMR and NHP, so it cannot be reused. Prepare the guide plates for NHP series and attach them to the element block. Taking out the TMR module. Lift up the TMR module from the MBR tank. Use the hanger for lifting up. Safety precaution. During lifting module up by hanger, do not access to the area under the module to ensure safety. Set the work area and ensure that no one will enter that area while lifting. Installation of the NHP module. Lift the NHP module up and set it into the MBR tank. Safety precaution. During lifting module up by hanger, do not access under the module to ensure safety. Install the module using guide rail if exists. Lifting module down slowly and horizontally. When module is submerged with sludge or water, open the air discharge valve on the filtrate line to release any air from the filtrate side of the elements. Installation completed. Toray MBR NHP Series. Easy replacement from TMR Series. Significant increase of membrane surface area. For more details, please contact us.